So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial.
If you're looking to automate your document pipelines using an open source node-based workflow approach, you're in the right video because today I am going to show you how to connect n8n with Docusign. So firstly, log into your CData Connect AI dashboard and navigate to Sources. Click Add Connection. Now select Docusign from the Available Applications panel. Then input your Docusign credentials and key environment parameters. Use Sandbox to set to false for your live production account. And for account ID, which is optional, but fill this only if your profile has access to multiple business IDs. Authorize the secure connection using OAuth instead of standard credentials, and head over to the Permissions tab on that same page to explicitly grant user-based read and write rights. Now, click the gear icon in the top right corner of the Connect AI app interface. Locate the Access Tokens section and click on Create PAT. Name your token clearly and copy the generated token string immediately and store it somewhere safe. It disappears permanently from view once you close the window. Now use this token and the connection endpoint to authenticate your incoming Docusign node structures directly inside your n8n workflow editor.
And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.